bolts of lightning send me on my way still smiling. Maybe that's the way I should go, straight into the mouth of the unknown. I left the spare key on the table. I never really thought I'd be able to say I'm merely busy on the weekend. I lost my whole life in a different. I've said it so many times, I would change my ways, no, never mind. God knows